Hello, my name is Asia Lathan, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of my website. So to begin, the title of my website is Elementary and Special Education. I named it after my major that I'm working towards in college. I thought it was perfect. And also, I decided this name so that I can keep it for my future and use it as my actual official website for my students and parents. So if you scroll down to this arrow and click the arrow, it'll give a brief synopsis of what my website is about, the various tabs that you can click on to look and view throughout my website. But if you scroll down to the bottom of the website and click Tech Blog, it will send a link directly to my blog that I've created. So far I only have two, but I'm really excited about these blogs. I really like the idea of blogs so that I'd be able to communicate with others and so that we can bounce back ideas off of each other, and I think that that's a really good idea. So if we go back to my website and we can go on to biography. Under the biography tab, it's just a little bit about me, about why I chose education as a major. Under previous experiences, it's about jobs that I've had before, and a little bit of personal information about myself, about where I live and what I like to do. Next, we have resources, and under resources is the Wakelet that I created. I really enjoyed making this Wakelet. It was one of my favorite things to do, actually. I was able to gather resources and information for various subjects. So I have reading, spelling, math, history, science, and that type of stuff. And it gives you a little information about either how to teach it, how to learn it, and extra stuff for special education, and things like that. I really enjoy it. And I also have a Wakelet from one of my other classmates that I am doing my major along with, so it was really nice to be able to use his as well. Under personal choice, I have a couple of websites that I found and use. I also have educational games and apps that are good for children and help them learn various different subjects as well. And I also have resourceful videos, YouTube videos, about special education and a quick little classroom tour, things like that. I thought it was really important to have to give others an idea of what it's like to be in a special educational environment. So next, under technology projects, I have my digital story. I had a lot of fun making my digital story. It was about a day in the life of a college student. I thought this was a great idea because while we're all, in different majors and things like that, I thought it would be a good idea to know the ins and outs of what it's like to be a college student, what I do during the day, and things like that. And it gave a little bit of information about not just education, but also like mental health and things like that. So I really enjoyed making this video as well. Another tab under technology projects is the mobile app. I reviewed quizzes as my mobile app. I had a lot of fun making this. I really enjoyed making this. I reviewed quizzes. It was an app I've never used, but I definitely see myself using this in the future. So I was really excited to make this slideshow, a little slideshow on the side about quizzes. And finally, I have my personal learning network and personal learning environment. I gave a little bit of information about the two and their similarities and differences and things like that. And I also have my my Word document about PLN and PLEs. I had a lot of fun reviewing the different blogs and curation tools and things like that. So you can find some of my reflections on this side, and here are the categories about those and things like that. So I had a lot of fun making that. Alright, and under evaluation I have my screencast, which is this video that will be on there, and also my Apple Teacher Certification, which I am still working on, but it should be uploaded very soon. So I'm really excited to finish that as well. But with that being said, this is a little quick tour of my website. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you visit my website, and thank you for watching.